Let's tap into the trader mind of Alan Nuckman of Agora Financial now. Thanks so much for being with us, Alan. A lot of people are talking about the Dow and 30,000.
Hi, Angie. Another up and away day, this time 30K in the Dow.
How are your trades coming along with your WPI trade tracker?
Yeah, let's talk about our current positions. We've sold into strength so much stuff, we've only got 2 positions left. We've got the Apple play. All about Apple. We've talked about this before. This is a big barometer for the market. It's had a stock stall. It's stuck between 125 and 105, which puts a midpoint at 115 to watch on a weekly basis. But it's been almost 4 full months of higher lows and lower highs. So it's forming a wedge pattern here. So let's see where the breakout is in that barometer stock. And then number 2 is FireEye. Now, FireEye is a January option and it's moved above 15. Still a lot of time and a lot of upside potential there. But again, selling when it looks the best has been our strategy.
Tell us about your WPI trade trigger for this week.
The trade trigger, Twitter time again. So this will be the 5th time that we played Twitter in 2020. Had great success. So in this instance, we pulled back. It's about 15% off its recent highs made at the end of October. Now, this is a stock that had been stuck between 20 and 40 for 8 months. So that targets 60 on the upside. And now this 40 levels is super support because this was the old breakout. This was the resistance up above that will now become a floor down below. So there's a gap that also exists at 48 and at 50. So if we can get this market on the move again, it's going to push to the upside one more time. The way to play is with a January 40 call. Again, 40 is that super support. January option has nearly 2 months of time for us to be right.
Alan, with all the excitement happening in the stock market, what are your trading day takeaways?
Trading takeaway number 1, 30K day. Now that's big from symbolism standpoint. The Dow's only 30 stocks and it's weighted by price, not market cap. So it's not a real good indicator of the market. But what I do like is that you're seeing some of these laggards become leaders and playing catch up. That's very positive. And there's still 10 of the Dow 30 components that are essentially unchanged or negative so far in the last 52 weeks. So it means that there's a lot of potential for those stocks to play the game. Number 2, gold fold. Now gold has fallen down. We're back down to the 1800 level. Let's see where we are on a weekly basis. But it's been a breakdown. And that's interesting because the dollar was down to 92, the lowest it's been in a number of weeks. So for whatever reason, we've seen the gold bugs get out of the way here for the near term. Let's see if we can stabilize around this 1800 level. And number 3, oil's well. We talked about this a couple weeks ago. That was the biggest thing that I've taken out of the markets in the last couple of months is the fact that the energy sector has formed a bottom. And then yesterday we had a big burst once again to build on those gains. So that's very bullish as a barometer if you see that energy sector come back. And what we're looking for next is looking for crude oil to creep up to $50 once again as a very, very healthy sign.
Thank you, Alan, and happy Thanksgiving to you and your family.
Happy Thanksgiving to everyone.